Finding the courage to change. Unity in diversity. I love to travel. I especially like to travel by car. I love seeing the landscape gradually change from one environment to another as the miles fly by. There are so many diverse environments: coastlines, rainforests, cities, farmland, forests, mountains, highlands, deserts, river bottoms, and mountain peaks. There are so many different, unique environments, and they each have their individual beautiful features. There's not one that isn't pleasing, and they all contribute enormously to the whole that is Mother Nature. When I can remember to appreciate the diversity that I see in nature, it becomes easier to appreciate the diversity that I see in people. Think of the miracle that is a modern airplane. Flying through the sky was just a dream 100 years ago, and in that 100 years, countless individuals combined their skills, talents, and abilities to create modern aviation. Not just a clever machine, but all the supporting infrastructure that allows for safe travel by air. To do that, we needed all kinds of diverse skills. In our diversity, we unite to create something truly miraculous. Each person is needed, or the end result isn't quite right. Each person that I see is fabulous, unique, and amazing. I have learned to be grateful for the differences in others. When we unite our diversity into groups, our potential for creation increases exponentially. It is in unity with our diverse companions that we are most powerful and miraculous.